Question 4.2 wants us to determine the values of p such that the line y is equals to 1 over 2x plus t cuts the circle at two different points. So if we can remember, we have two lines that have that gradient. We have the line that passes through k. Let's just take it down a little bit. Okay, and we have the line that passes through P over there. Right. So if these are on the outskirts of our circle, and these two lines pass our graph only at one point. Right. But if we had a line that had the same gradient, we see as we move it up and down that it will pass our circle at 2 points. And only when it passes it at K or when it passes it at P does it only pass at 1 point of the circle. But anything in between those two values or those two graphs, we can see that it passes my graph at 2 points. So T needs to be in between the values of our intercepts with regards to this graph and that graph. So we can see that T must be in between -3 for the K graph and T for the P graph. So if it's in between those values, it will cross our circle graph at more than 1 point, or yes, it will be at 2 points to be exact. So you can write that as that way, or you can write it as T is an element between -3 and 7. So it can be any value as long as it's in between those numbers, and we will then cross our circle twice.